Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the VGC model and firmware, because mismatches cause incorrect function. Once done, back up the config files and export the VGC log so you can revert if needed. Next, disable or close any apps that might access the device and boot the system into safe mode. This prevents interference. Make sure to keep a note of original settings. Manual rollback is faster than guessing. You now remove the faulty layer. Uninstall the VGC driver or software using the vendor uninstaller or control panel. Once removed, scan for and delete leftover files and registry entries related to the VGC so no corrupt remnants remain. Then download the exact firmware or driver build for your model, because close but wrong versions break functions. Install the new package, follow the prompts, and restart. This ensures the kernel and services load the corrected modules. You finish by running built-in diagnostics and exercising the function that was incorrect. If the tests pass, restore user settings incrementally, apply one setting at a time and retest, because a single option often reintroduces problems. If the issue remains, collect fresh logs and perform a factory reset only after backup, then retest. One key troubleshooting tip: if symptoms persist, capture logs and error codes immediately.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.